अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। फर्स्ट वन हमारे साथ है कैन। उर्दू पहचान सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं, सकता हूँ। फॉर्मूला हमारे साथ है सब्जेक्ट प्लस कैन प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन डू यानी मैं कर सकता हूँ। When you can do something and you have the ability to do something, then you will have to use can. Compare example with formula. I is subject, can from formula, do is a verb. Understand? The second one is could. उर्दू पहचान सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे। Formula subject plus could plus verb first form. For example, I could run. मैं दौड़ सकता था लेकिन फिर मैं दौड़ नहीं पाया. This type of sentence we will have to use could. Compare the example with formula. I is subject, could is from formula, run is a verb. So let's do some practice. We have some common sentence in our practice like I can make you understand. मैं आपको समझा सकता हूँ. And the second one is I could give him answer. मैं उसको जवाब दे सकता था. The third one is I can't tell a lie. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. And the next one is I could not find. मैं मालूम नहीं कर सकता था. Can you show me your picture? क्या तुम मुझे अपनी तस्वीर दिखा सकते हो? And the last one is could you see me? क्या तुम मुझे देख सकते थे? So that was some common sentence. Now the question is that which one is formal? Dears, when you want to speak formally, then you will have to use could instead of can because could is more formal than can. Let me clear it with common examples. The first one is could you give me a glass of water? क्या तुम मुझे एक गिलास पानी दे सकते हो? जब आप किसी को इज्जत से पुकारते हैं तो आपको could इस्तेमाल करना होगा. And the last one is could you show me the principal office? क्या तुम मुझे प्रिंसिपल साहब का ऑफिस दिखा सकते हो? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.